Welcome to the Mastercam 2026 CAM 2D tutorials. First tutorials, how to create a stock setup. Before that, create a stock setup, we make one working equipment with the levels, dimensions, fixtures, models, and it is cam wireframe, whatever the required profile according to the job. Now, machine, toolpath, stock setup, boundary box, all shown, 3D, define thickness 30, increase the raw material size 5 to 10 mm, command green, just cross verify from your toolpath stock setup display. Second method of making stock table of circular job. Machine, mail, default machines. Second machine will be made for this one. Just top view. We create one circle. This diameter 175 mm. Stock setup. Boundary box. All shows. Shapes. We want circular job. Thickness 30. X-axis no. Y-axis no. Z-axis 30. Yes, we did require job in Z-axis. Increase the radius of the raw materials. Command green. This is your raw materials in circular shape. So these are the two methods to create a stock setup. Thank you.